So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a teaser of SB Manjri which is located near Shivaliwadi Road, Manjri, BK, Pune and developed by SB Realty. So in this video we'll be discussing about below points which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch, discount offers and many more. But before letting you know the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you are just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly with the developer. So book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. And now talking about the overview of the project, SB Manjri will be constructed on 1.7 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 towers. Each tower will be having basement plus ground plus 24 floors with 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी की। तो आप देख सकते हैं मैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ और मेरे इन फ्रंट आप देख सकते हैं ये रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस। और अगर हम लोकेशन की बात करें ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट, तो प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर शिवालिवाड़ी रोड, मांजरी, बीके, पुणे। और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं तो यू कैन ऑल्सो कनेक्ट सोलापुर मुंबई हाईवे विद इन 210 meters along with Shivaliwadi bus stand and also 210 meters and SP Infocity within 4 kilometers. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has luxurious amenities like clubhouse, kids play area, gym, party hall and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, SP Manjri has 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences, and 2 BHK is starting from 700 to 800 square feet and also 3 BHK is starting from 900 to 1100 square feet carpet area. And now let's talk about the booking process of the project. Booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain you the complete project along with the 3D model and will share you the pricing and payment schemes also along with the location of the project. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the teaser of SB Manjri which is located near Shivaliwadi Road, Manjri, BK, Pune and developed by SB Realty. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस क्लिक ऑन द गिवन बिलो लिंक एंड डू लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब टू Housey on www.housey.com. तो चलिए अब हम मिलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.